community's development is tied to so many factors.
But good governance is a key driver. It doesn't matter whether you're at the municipal, city, or provincial government.
When you have a strong core of competent and passionate public servants leading the people, a better future is inevitable.
Here in the Academy, our aim is to produce competent and future-ready government leaders who are committed to the welfare of their constituents and the country's progress. Leaders in the public sector ought to be agile, especially now that we face unprecedented challenges such as the COVID-19 pandemic, the climate crisis, and disruptive technological shifts. Our local government units also confront greater demand for accountability in managing the increased internal revenue allocation as they transition to full devolution of basic service delivery and the attendant functions. It is therefore urgent and necessary that we strengthen the capacity of our LGU leaders, and that is the intention of the Local Government Executives and Managers class, or the LGEMC, under the Public Management Development Program.
LGEMC is a comprehensive training program implemented under the Public Management Development Program, which is the National Government's Career Executive Service Development Program. The LGEMC strengthens the capabilities of local government leaders so that they may excel in the roles and performance of mandated function, be more adaptive and agile in a changing and disruptive environment, and promote good practices and innovations for a sustained and more effective delivery of public services.
The LGEMC is based on 3 key learning areas: personal efficacy and leadership, development and governance, and strategic public management.
We have different modules centered on these learning areas with esteemed experts from the public and private sector leading in the discussion in every session.
LGEMC scholars are expected to conceptualize and design an innovation project concept, which serves as their final requirement and an application of their significant experiences and learnings from all the training modules. With the implementation of their innovation project, they are expected to help improve the performance of their LGU's mandated functions, which are critical to a sustained and more effective and efficient delivery of public services.
Each session poses scholars to think outside the box, especially when the concepts being discussed are completely new to them. Even if most scholars have been in the government for quite some time, they can discover a lot of ideas or concepts which will definitely help them perform their duties and serve their constituents better.